If you're not giving the money you are receiving a job even before it lands in your account, you're playing a dangerous game. Hi, my name is Victory. If you are someone that before the end of the month you can't keep track of where your money went, how it finished, what you spent it on, the issue is that you don't track your money. You need to do is that every money that you receive, be it salary, maybe from your business, whatever money that's coming to your account, is even before it lands, you need to budget. Now, let me give you an example of how I budget my money. I use the 50-30-20 method. 50 goes for everything that has to do expense. My 30 goes for my investment, and also 20 for fun. So let me give you an example. So let's say you're earning 100K. So your 50K should go towards expense. Let's say the food you're going to eat throughout the month, transport fare, bills, dues, house rent. That are those recurrent dues that you know that would always pop up. Then you would also need to move on to the 30%, which is for investment. In my last video, I made an emphasis on emergency fund. You don't have an emergency fund, you could maybe allocate the whole 30K of that your 100K. You can allocate it towards building your emergency fund. But if maybe you've built an emergency fund and then you are ready for investment, then the 30K should be going towards your investment. And then while your 20K is going towards your fund. Yes, I'm working so that I can also spend my money. Life is short. So this is an example of if you're earning 100K, same as 200K. That means your expense will be 100, your fund will be 40K, while your investment will be 60K. If you're earning 300K, your expense is 150, your fund is 60K, while your investment is 90K. If you're earning above that, you can just like calculate it that way. Once you're able to do this, you'll be able to track your finances, plan your finances better, and be able to achieve your financial dream faster. If you have any other questions as regarding this, please drop it in the comment section. If you think that what we do here resonates with you, please follow, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.